When you put on the VR headset, you step into a different time, the Bulgarian National Revival, a period when crafts, trade, and local traditions shaped the character of many Bulgarian towns. Walking along this reconstructed street, you can explore the architecture of the era, enter the workshops of local craftsmen, and experience the everyday life of the people who lived and worked here. Inside the pottery and woodworking workshops, tools, materials, and animated demonstrations reveal how these traditional crafts were practiced. You can even step upstairs into a revival period household interior, where furniture, textiles, and everyday objects recreate the atmosphere of a typical home from that times. Through detailed 3D reconstruction and an immersive VR experience, visitors are able to travel back in time and understand the cultural and economic importance of crafts during this remarkable period in Bulgarian history. As a 3D production company working with cultural institutions, our goal is to help museums transform historical knowledge into interactive experiences that allow visitors to explore, learn, and connect with the past in a new and engaging way.